Tell me honestly, does not it hurt when you see people your age moving forward while you are still worried about next month's expenses? You work hard, you earn, but somehow the money disappears and the cycle repeats every single month. And here's the harsh truth nobody tells you. Most Indians don't stay poor because of low income. They stay poor because of silent habits that drain their future. Now imagine this for a second. What if you could do just 5 things in your 20s and guarantee that your 30-year-old self will never see a paycheck to paycheck life again? Sounds unbelievable? Stay with me because I am about to tell you the reality most people avoid and the steps only the wealthy follow. And the biggest shock, you can start today even with a 10,000 salary. Alright, let's break the fantasy bubble first. You don't become rich by earning more. You become rich by keeping more. Most 20-year-olds in India follow the same cycle. New job, buy new phone, EMI, Swiggy, weekend trips, broke. The Indian middle class doesn't suffer from low income. It suffers from high lifestyle inflation. Here's a question nobody asks. If you can't manage 10,000 a month, why do you think 1 lakh will magically change your life? Your income is not your real earning. Your savings rate is. Even if you save 30% from a small salary, you are already wealthier than someone earning triple but saving nothing. Your 20s are not for flexing. They are for building the leverage. Let me say something harsh. Your 20s are the only decade where you can sacrifice without consequences. No kids, no house loan, no huge responsibilities. But most people waste this freedom chasing validation. Phones, dinners, clothes, and fake status. Meanwhile, the wealthy, they use their 20s to build leverage. Skills, network, reputation, side hustles, because leverage compounds faster than money. Ever wondered why your college topper earns less than the guy who barely passed? Because skills beat marks every single time. Stop expecting a miracle salary jump. Build a second income instead. Most Indians wait for an appraisal like they are waiting for rain in a drought. But think about it. If your company can replace you in 30 days, why are you building your entire financial future on one income? Rich 20-year-olds don't rely on jobs. They build multiple income streams, even small ones. Freelancing, content creating, reselling, designing, editing. Your first 5,000 outside your job will feel more powerful than your entire corporate appraisal. Investing early is not optional. It's the only cheat code you have. Most people in their 20s say, I will start investing when I earn more. But compounding laughs at this logic. If you invest 5,000 a month from age 22, you will end up with more money than someone who starts at 28 and invests double. Your 20s are not powerful because of high income. They are powerful because of time. Mini challenge for you. Check your last month's Swiggy plus Zomato plus Amazon expenses. Now compare it with how much you invested. Painful, right? Good. That pain will make you rich. Your environment is silently deciding your net worth. You become like the people you spend time with. If you hang out with friends who only talk about movies, gossip, and weekend plans, you will become that person. But if you are around people who discuss money, ideas, growth, your brain automatically shifts. Rich mindset create rich actions. Rich actions create rich results. Simple. Remember the question I asked in the beginning? What if you could guarantee a richer future with simple steps today? Now you know the answer. If you control lifestyle inflation, build skill and leverage, create second income streams, invest early, and change your environment, then your 30-year-old self will look back and say, thank God I started in my 20s. But if you don't, you will wake up one day wondering why everyone moved ahead while you stayed stuck in the same loop. Your future is watching you right now. What decision are you making today? Because this journey to financial freedom, it's not easy, but it's worth every step. And if you are serious about changing your life, there's one dangerous habit you must break immediately. It's something 90% of young Indians ignore, and it silently destroys your wealth before you even notice it. So in the next video, I will expose that habit and more importantly, how to escape it. Click on the next video, the most dangerous habit in your 20s. Let's start your journey to financial freedom.